Hi Penny, I'm going to give you feedback by video because I think it's the most efficient way to do it. I'll try to just talk through all the yellow highlighting. Okay, so knock out, take out in my opinion. We say this when we're talking to each other. We might say in my opinion or I think, but in academic writing you just want to start with a claim, okay, your main idea. Willie Weir's initiating kindness concept on the surface is mooching. Now here I highlighted this because this whole part of the text could be made clearer. It was not really clear to me, and I think part of the problem is we don't say each other's kindnesses exchange. We would say our exchange of kindness with others or something like that. Okay? Now here you have what's called a comma splice, meaning until now I am very grateful to her. That's a complete thought. And when on the other side of this comma you have a brand new sentence. So we cannot join sentences with a comma, and you have the same problem here. So those are the errors in that paragraph. Now when we move down to the second paragraph, what you have here is a pronoun issue because you say people will meet many people in their lives who have different opinions from. Okay, so you've shifted from people, okay, to second person you. So that's a pronoun shift, okay? And here, because communication can make people get more information and knowledge, this is not a complete sentence. It is what we call a fragment. You have a dependent clause here, and so it must be part of the previous sentence. Okay? Here, I think you have a word choice issue. Perhaps you mean the word mock. It just isn't the right word to say don't satirize each other. And then here in these last two errors, you have a shift in person. Okay, so in your paragraph, you're talking about people, we, people, you know. Actually, you have quite a lot of shifts in person here because I notice you use you. So I didn't catch this one, but I'm not going to go back because there's a lot of work on these. Basically, you want to try to avoid shifting from like people then to you, okay? So here, like even if people have different points of view, they can still find something else in common in their communication with other people or something like that. So I'm going to add a note here, change all uses of you, because when you say you, that's second person. It's too informal for academic writing. You're saying you. And then here in these last two, I'm going to go back. You're also using you. You're commanding me. Try to understand. Explore ideas. So these are commands, and that's second person again. So you want to change back to your original person, which was third person. Okay, that's all the feedback I'm going to give you on this. Thank you.